AMH, American Homes for Rent. American Homes for Rent stands out as a prominent player in the real estate investment trust, or REIT sector, specializing in single-family residential properties available for lease. Their primary operations are strategically concentrated within the U.S. Sunbelt region, a promising market with considerable growth potential. According to Bank of America's astute analyst, Joshua Dennerlein, what sets American Homes for Rent apart from other residential REITs is its distinctive advantage: an internally owned and managed property development platform. This unique feature positions them for remarkable opportunities in the real estate market. As we set our sights on the latter half of 2023 and beyond, Dennerlein presents a compelling case for optimism. He identifies numerous bullish factors that could propel American Homes for Rent stock price to new heights, making it a compelling investment prospect. BBWI, Bath & Body Works Incorporated. Bath & Body Works, a well-known retail powerhouse renowned for its extensive selection of scented candles and personal care items, continues to shine brightly in the market. Lorraine Hutchinson, an insightful analyst at Bank of America, points to Bath & Body Works as a prime example of sustained growth in an era where numerous brick-and-mortar retailers grapple with Amazon's dominance. What makes this company even more appealing is its stock, which trades at an enticing valuation. Throughout 2023, BBWI has achieved notable market share expansion across its three core product categories: fragrances, body care, and soap. This impressive performance underscores Bath & Body Works' ability to not only survive but thrive in a highly competitive retail landscape. DDOG Datadog. Datadog offers a suite of cloud-based tools designed to monitor, assess, and enhance the performance of security of cloud applications. This encompasses everything from diagnosing and troubleshooting issues to ensuring robust functionality. Koji Ikeda, a respected analyst at Bank of America, observes that Datadog enjoys robust demand for its services, and the company's conservative financial projections have positioned it to easily surpass expectations in the latter half of the year. Furthermore, he anticipates a surge in cloud workload demand, primarily driven by the proliferation of artificial intelligence application. This bodes well for Datadog, as AI and machine learning are poised to generate an unprecedented volume of data, necessitating comprehensive analysis and security measures. And hey, isn't that the main reason you're here after all? You're in pursuit of success, driven by dedication and motivation to make everything work. Well, not to worry, because here on Business Mind, we want you to dream big and achieve bigger. And we have set it up just for you. Check the link in the description below, and who knows, your streak of success might just be one click away. DXCM, Dexcom Incorporated. Dexcom is a pioneer in the field of continuous glucose monitoring systems, specializing in the development, production, and distribution of these vital tools essential for effective diabetes management. In a significant development, the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services recently broadened its coverage for continuous glucose monitoring, now extending its support to individuals with type 2 diabetes who rely on basal insulin. According to the insightful analysis by Travis Steed, a prominent analyst at Bank of America, the US market for basal insulin currently has a penetration rate of nearly 10%. This suggests a substantial enduring growth prospect for Dexcom in the long term, as they tap into an underpenetrated market ripe with potential. FTV Fortive Corporation. Fortive, a versatile industrial conglomerate, operates across three distinct divisions: Intelligent Operating Solutions, Precision Technologies, and Advanced Healthcare Solutions. Notably, Fortive's healthcare segment represents approximately 22% of the organization's overall revenue. Offering insight into this specific facet of the business, Andrew Obin, a distinguished analyst at Bank of America, presents a positive outlook for advanced healthcare solutions in the latter part of the year. This optimistic perspective suggests promising prospects for AHS within Fortive's diversified portfolio, signifying a potential driver of growth and success in the upcoming months. LW Lamb Weston Holdings Incorporated. Lamb Weston, a prominent player in the global food industry, specializes in the production and distribution of an array of frozen potato products, including the ever-popular French fries. Peter Galbo, an astute analyst at Bank of America, foresees an impressive performance from Lamb Weston in July, surpassing the consensus earnings predictions and subsequently raising its full-year guidance. Galbo attributes this optimism to the robust demand weakness from U.S. quick-service restaurants, highlighting the company's solid footing in the domestic market. Additionally, he notes that the ongoing economic reopening in China is poised to bolster international sales growth, further solidifying Lamb Weston's position as a key player in the global frozen food market. LEA, Lear Corporation. Lear stands as a prominent provider of seating solutions and electric power management systems, serving the automotive industry on a global scale. John Murphy, a respected analyst at Bank of America, underscores Lear's exceptional performance track record. The company has consistently demonstrated superior growth, industry-leading profit margins, and remarkable cash flow management. These key attributes, according to Murphy, position Lear as one of the premier long-term investment options among auto suppliers. With its strong financial performance and commitment to innovation, Lear continues to shine as an enduring and valuable player in the automotive supply sector, making it a compelling choice for investors seeking stability and growth. NFLX, Netflix Incorporated. Netflix, the renowned global streaming giant, operates a subscription-based platform for TV shows and movies, boasting an impressive subscriber base exceeding 232 million paid users. Analyst Jessica Reif-Ehrlich from the Bank of America recognizes the immense value of Netflix's global brand, along with its vast and monetizable user base. Ehrlich also points to numerous growth catalysts expected in the latter part of 2023. To begin, Netflix is taking measures to curb password sharing. Additionally, the company is set to introduce an ad-supported subscription tier, a move with the potential to significantly expand its market reach. Furthermore, Ehrlich anticipates a turning point in Netflix's free cash flow generation, coupled with sustained growth in cord-cutting subscribers for the foreseeable future. DIS, the Walt Disney Company. Walt Disney, the global media and entertainment powerhouse, boasts a diversified business portfolio encompassing theme parks, film entertainment, television broadcasting, and consumer products. Although Disney's stock has trailed behind the S&P 500 since November 2021, analyst Ehrlich believes there are compelling factors that could drive a resurgence in Disney shares in the latter half of the year. Disney has recently implemented price hikes across its Disney+, Hulu, and ESPN Plus subscriptions. Ehrlich foresees robust demand from advertisers for Disney's ad-supported Disney Plus tier. Additionally, she points to Disney's commitment to cost management within its direct-to-consumer segments and heightened summer demand for theme parks as potential catalysts that may bolster Disney's stock performance. WFC, Wells Fargo and Corporation. Wells Fargo, a financial behemoth and one of the largest banks in the United States, oversees a colossal asset portfolio surpassing $1.8 trillion. Despite a tumultuous start to 2023 for bank stocks, marked by regional banking instability partly attributed to diminishing bond prices, Wells Fargo and 22 fellow U.S. banking counterparts emerged unscathed, successfully clearing the Federal Reserve's annual financial stress test in June. This reassuring outcome has instilled confidence among investors, affirming the stability of the banking sector. Ebrahim Poonawala, an esteemed analyst at Bank of America, highlights Wells Fargo's appealing valuation and positions it as one of the most attractive risk-reward propositions among large-cap bank stocks. This endorsement underscores the bank's resilience and potential for value in the current market landscape. And there you have it. We have explored the art of boosting your lifestyle by investing on stocks in 2023. Remember, it all starts with a business mind, the kind that dares to dream big and strives to achieve even bigger. So check out the description below for the thing that could help you do just that. And if you're ready to turn dreams to achievements, don't hesitate to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell right here on Business Mind. Stay connected for more insightful content that empowers you to take your business journey to new heights. So, go ahead, dream big, Work hard and watch as your efforts translate into success beyond your wildest expectations. This is Business Mind, reminding you that when you dream big, you truly can achieve bigger. Business Mind, signing off.